Duck loved coasting down the hill, running easily with the wind whistling past. He hummed a little tune. That sounds like a guard's whistle, he thought. But we haven't a guard. His driver heard it too and looked back. Hurry, Duck, hurry, he called urgently. There's been a breakaway. Some trucks are chasing us. There were 20 heavily loaded trucks. Hurrah, 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 they laughed. We've broken away, we've broken away, we've broken away. And before the signalman could change the points, they followed Duck onto the down line. Chase him, bump him, throw him off the rails, they yelled.